Hi student, myself Chowre PB, Department of Biology, JES College Jalna. Welcome to all the 11th science student. Here, today we are discussing the introduction of biology. Today we are discussing a main branch of the science, that is the biology. What is mean by biology? So biology it is the main branch of the science with the study of a living organism. With the study of a living organism are called as the biology. Means the here biome is the life, and logy is the study. The study of living or the study of life or a organism are called as the biology. Means a study of living like a plants, animals and the microorganism are called as the biology. Then student, we are discussing a various disciplines or a various branches of biology. So firstly, we are discuss what is mean by the botany or meaning of botany. Botany is derived from a Latin word botan, means the herb. That is a botany is the main branch of biology with the study of a herb or a plants. All the types of the plants are studied under the heading a botany. Then there is a study of the root system, stem system, leaves, flowers, then seeds and the fruits. Is the botany is the study of plants or a plants kingdom. Then next branch, zoology. Here zoom is the animal and logy is the study. The study of the animals. Study of the animals or a kingdom animalia are called as the zoology. Dear student, here zoology is a study of the animals. It is the branch of biology with the study of animals are called as the zoology. Then there is a study of the invertebrates, vertebrates, then study of the human systems like the excretory system, then circulatory system, respiratory system, all the systems about the animals studied in a zoology. Then next sub branch, microbiology. Here student, micro is the very microscopic or a minute and we cannot see with a naked eye. It is observed under a microscope, means the micro, and microbiology means a study of a microscopic organism like the bacteria and viruses, then fungi. Means they are minute or a unicellular. Means a body of an organism is made up of only one cell, that is called as the unicellular, and this bacteria, fungi or a viruses are very microscopic, they are minute and they are studied in a microbiology. Then next definition or the branch, morphology. Here morphology is it is the branch of biology with the study of external characters or external structure of the organism are called like the morphology. So morphos is a form and logy is the study. The study of the external forms of the organism are called like the morphology. Student, for example, color of flower, then height of plant, then color of leaves, type of root system, color of fruit, type of fruit. These are the external characters or forms and the structures of the organism are called as the morphology. Means the student, morphology means the external characters, external structure of the organism are called as the morphology. For example, in a Hibiscus rosa sinensis, like the China rose plant having the a red flowers, means the a morphological character, means the external character, that is called as the morphology. Then next sub branch, anatomy, means the internal structure of an organism. Internal structure of an organism are called as the anatomy. Student, we are dissecting the organism. Then a organ system or a organ study, that is called as the anatomy. Or a take a tears of fruit, stem or a leaves, then study, that is called as the anatomy. Means the a gross internal structure of the organism are called as the anatomy. Okay. Then next sub-branch, physiology. Here student, physiology is it is the branch of biology with the study of a life processes. Life processes of the organism are called as a physiology. Here life processes is the in a plant photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, then respiration, then in animals digestion, then excretion. These are the life processes are called as the physiology. Means the a study of the life processes, or it is also known as the metabolism. It is also known as the metabolism. So physiology means the study of metabolism. So metabolism is the life processes or a chemical reaction that are takes place within the living body of the organism are called as the metabolism. So metabolism is the chemical activity, chemical process takes place within a body of the living organism are called as the metabolism. And metabolism are of two types, that is the anabolism and catabolism. Here student, anabolism is a chemical process in which a simple substances are converted into a complex substances. Means for example, photosynthesis. In a photosynthesis, the simple substance like the CO2 and H2O are converted into a carbohydrate, and it is a simple process, or a simple is converted into a complex. That process are called as the anabolism, and it is the type of metabolism or a physiological activity. And second is the catabolism. So catabolism is a life processes in which the complex is converted into a simple soluble substances. For example, respiration. In a respiration, the carbohydrates are broken down to form a biological usable form of a chemical energy, that is the ATP or CO2 and H2O. Hence they are called as the complex is converted into a simple form. That is called as the physiology. Physiology is the study of life processes or the metabolism. And metabolism are of two types, that is the anabolism or a catabolism on the basis of a chemical process. Means a simple is converted into complex in anabolism, and in catabolism complex is converted into simple. that is called as the cadaverism. Then next sub branch, cytology, or it is also known as a cell biology. Cytology or a cell biology. Student, here cytosm is the cell. Cytosm is the cell and logeme is the study. The study of the cell. So what is mean by cell? Cell may be plant cell, animal cell, bacterial cell. These are the 8 types of the cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of organism, unit of life, that is called as the cell. And study of cells and their structure and function are called as a cytology or a cell biology. Then next discipline or a branch, that is the histology. So histology, histose means the tissues. Histose means the tissues. So histology means the tissues and logy means the study. The study of the tissues are called as the histology. So student, tell me what is mean by tissue? Anyone? Okay. So tissue is a group of cells having the similar types of function are called as the tissue. A single cell and all the similar cells are combined together having the similar function are called as the tissue. And many tissues are combined to form organ. Then many organs are combined to form organ system. And many organ systems combine together to form body offering the organism. Okay, so in a histology, the study of the tissues, it may be plant histology or animal histology, means the study of plant tissues or a animal tissues. Okay, the next branch, that is a genetics. Here student, a genetics is the main branch of biology with the study of a heredity and variation of in the organism are called as the genetics, or it is simply defined as it is the branch of biology with the study of a structure and functions of the genes are called as the genetics, or study of heredity and the variation of in the organism are called as the genetics. Student, heredity means the transmission of the characters from parents to their offspring, or from first generation to the next generation are called as the heredity. And what type of characters can be transmitted from parents to their offspring? For example, in animals, like the skin color, their hair pattern, height, shape of nose, eye color, these are the hereditary character and they can be transmitted from parents to their offspring are called as the heredity. Then next, variation. So variation is the dissimilarities between the parents and their offspring. Student, some are the differences between the parents and their offspring are called as the variation. For example, two sisters of the same parent shows the differences or the variation. The next sub-branch, taxonomy. So taxonomy is the main branch of biology with the study of collection, then description, identification, nomenclature and classification of organisms are called as the taxonomy. So student, taxonomy means the collection. Collection means the to collect the animals, yeah, to collect the plants. Then they are properly described. Description, for example, in plant, study of the description of the roots, then stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and the seeds. Then identify. Identification means the to identify the plants. Then nomenclature is the naming the organism according to the a scientific method. For example, mango in our Maharashtra, mango common name and its scientific name as a Mangifera indica means the naming the organism according to the scientific method are called as the nomenclature. For example, another example, China rose. It is a common name or a local name, and a botanical name or the scientific name as a Hibiscus rosa sinensis means the in naming the organism according to the scientific method are called as the nomenclature. Then classification. Classify the plants, classify the animals, that is called as the classification. Or classification is the systematic arrangement of the organisms into the groups and subgroups according to the a similarity and the differences are called as the classification. And all the study in a taxonomy. So taxis means the a arrangement and nomos means the law. The arrangement of the law are called as the taxonomy. The organisms are properly arranged according to the a similarity and the differences are called as the taxonomy. Okay. Then next pathology. Here student, patho and logy. Patho means the pathogen and logy means the study of pathogen. And pathogen is the a disease causing organism. Pathogen is the a disease causing organism. That is called as the pathogen. And study of pathogen are called as the study of pathogen called the pathology. Means the a disease causing organism. Student, what is mean by the disease? So disease means the a normal condition is converted into the abnormal condition. Means the to disturb the normal functions of the body. That is called as the disease. And the study of diseases or a pathogens are called as the a pathology. The next sub-branch, embryology. Here embryology is the study of embryo. Study of embryo. And what is mean by the embryo? So embryo is the during the process of fertilization where a male gamete fuses with the female gamete to form a diploid zygote. Okay. So fertilization is the process in which a male gamete fuses with the female gamete to form a diploid zygote are called as the fertilization. And after fertilization, these zygotes are divided and redivided to form a group of diploid cells that is called as the embryo. And in embryology, the development of embryo. Development of embryos are called as the embryology. Then next definition or a branch, that is the mycology. So student, here mycos means the fungi and logy means the study. So study of fungi are called as the a mycology. Student, you have studied in 9th standard a study of algae, bacteria, fungi, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, and today the dominating vegetation, that is the angiosperm. These are the a classification of the plants. Okay. So mycology is the study of fungi. Okay. Then next sub-branch, molecular biology. Student, what is mean by molecule? When two or more atoms are combined together to form molecule, and here studying of the molecular biology. So it is the branch of biology with the study of a macromolecules. Macromolecules. Here macro is the large. For example, study of DNA, then RNA, proteins. In a molecular biology, study of DNA. What is mean by DNA? DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid. Here student, D means the less and oxyribonucleic acid means the in a DNA one oxygen atom is less than the RNA. Okay, here D means the less. Then RNA means the ribonucleic acid. And protein. What is mean by protein, or why it is called as the macromolecule? Because it is made up of a chain of amino acid. Means the many amino acids are get linked up with the help of a peptide bond to form a long chain, and that long chain are called as the a polypeptide chain, and this polypeptide chain means the protein. Means that it is a complex molecule or a complex macromolecule because it is made up of a smaller and smaller amino acid are get combined or get linked up with the help of a peptide bond, means the dipeptide, tripeptide, and the polypeptide, that is called as a macromolecule. Okay. Or in a DNA, RNA, there is a presence of a nitrogenous bases, pentose sugar, and phosphate group, and they are combined or bonded to form a macromolecule, means a molecular biology. Okay. Detailed study was studied in 12th standard. Okay. Thanks.